I walk these back roads, worn thin by time, chasing ghosts of the man I swore I'd find. Some days I'm steady, some days I break, but every sunrise gives more than it takes. I'm learning the difference between living and just passing through. And sometimes the hardest truth is staring back at you. So I stare at the shadows on the water, floating like the memories I've carried farther than I ever meant to go. But I'm learning to let them go. Yeah, the past can haunt you like a whisper, but tonight it feels a little lighter, 'cause where the dark used to swallow me whole, I finally found a little control. I've said my goodbyes to the storms in my chest, learn that peace ain't a place, it's a hard-earned rest. And every mistake that I tried to outrun found its way back, but I never came undone. There's freedom in owning every scar you earn, and strength in the lessons you didn't ask to learn. So I stare at the shadows on the water, floating like the memories I've carried farther than I ever meant to go. But I'm learning to let them go. Yeah, the past can haunt you like a whisper, but tonight it feels a little lighter, 'cause where the dark used to swallow me whole, I finally found a little control. Maybe healing ain't loud, maybe it's quiet, slow and proud, the kind that sneaks in when you're standing alone, realizing you've grown. Now I stare at the shadows on the water, watch them break in the glow of tomorrow, and the man staring back in the ripples below, he's stronger than he used to know. Yeah, the past can whisper all it wants to, but it can't drown the fire I hold on to. This time I'm ready to take back my soul and walk out whole.